Most people aren't going to need this. In fact, that was one of my major criticisms of the LXS. I believe the LXS is a mid-tier watercraft that checks literally the exact wrong, total opposite of what I would check for a mid-tier ski. It has the reverse-facing camera. It's got the extended deck, but you don't get sound. You don't get the extra speakers. You don't get the air diffuser of the LX. So I was like, I think most people would rather just have sound and ditch the rear deck and the camera and have the stuff in the cockpit, have the sound system. Even if it's just the 2 speakers instead of the 4. Okay, give me the 2 speakers and I can sync my phone. Okay, great. Let's do that. But instead, they give you the exact opposite. And in my review, I'm like, okay, well, maybe the LXS is designed for towing because it's got the rear-facing camera. It's got the extended swim platform. That makes sense. Okay, a lot of people would bring a raft, and they're going to have the kid climbing up and down off the swim platform. So that makes sense. So I'm checking it off in my head. And then I go, why on God's green earth would they give you 310 horsepower to tow a raft with some 7-year-old kid on the back? All right. Don't get me wrong. I like snapping a kid off of the back of a raft, but I sure as hell wouldn't do it on a 310 horsepower model. I think that counts as child abuse. All right. That's pretty damn fast.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.